Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can participate in the Drew token airdrop. Alright, so this airdrop came on live March 18th, that was about 3 days ago, and from the Twitter account, this airdrop will be ending, that is the airdrop campaign will end in the next 48 hours. As you can see, this was posted about 2 hours ago and the date is March 21st, 2024. Alright, so let's get started. All you need to do is to hop onto the URL addresses we provided in the caption, and then once you're presented with this page, you would be required to do a few tasks, nothing so complicated. All you need to do is to follow Drew on Twitter. Once you just tap on this, to take you to the Twitter page, and then you just be required to follow. I'm already following them, so you follow and then you like, quote, retweet the pinned post and tag 3 of your friends in the comment section. So you need to head over to Drew's Twitter page, and also you see their pinned post. This is the pinned post here. Then you like, you retweet, you quote it, and then you say something just like, guys, you need to do this, guys, don't miss out. Okay, so let's just do something. Do not miss out on this. Alright, so you can just post. Alright, so once you've done that, then you'll be required to tag 3 friends as is requested. Said like, quote, retweet the pin post and tag 3 of your friends in the comment section. Alright, so you just tag 3 friends. You could just impute your friends, you just add and tag a few friends. Let's see if I can think of any friend to add right now, impromptu. Let's see, let's see if this counts. Okay, let me just say I want to add this person. I want to add another person. Let me see, tag somewhere. Okay, then I want to add another person. So this is you tagging 3 friends, right? And then you post. Okay, so once you've tagged your 3 friends, then you would be required to post the retweet link here. So all you need to do is head over to your profile, and then you scroll to this, what you quoted, then you copy the link. Alright, head over here and then you paste the link. Okay, then you join the Drew community on Telegram, invite 3 of your friends. So you just tap on here, join the Drew community, impute your Telegram username, impute your Solana address, and you tap on claim tokens. And once you tap on claim tokens, you will be rewarded with 600,000 tokens immediately. Okay, so at the moment, let's see if I can impute any Solana address. Okay, so I'll be right back. So let me just join their Twitter, their Telegram community, and also get the Solana address, and I'll be right back to this video. I have followed them on Telegram, and ensure that once you follow on Telegram, just make a comment or say hi or hello. Okay, just to show that I know you bought, and then impute your Telegram username, not your display name, your Telegram username, the one with that starts with the @ and then impute your Solana address, and you just tap on claim tokens. Okay, so once you tap on claim tokens, you would see your Drew balance, that's 650,000 Drew, and then you can also share a referral link. Okay, so this referral link has been generated and can share on Twitter. So in case you just want to just tap on share on Twitter, alright, it doesn't go immediately, or all you can do is just to copy this and head over to your Twitter and probably just post something and put it out there that don't miss out on this airdrop. Okay, just something that engage on this, guys. Costs $0. Alright, so you could just type something simple and then share with your community members, and then they can also get in on the airdrop and then you will get this referral numbers up. Alright guys, so once you're done with all of that, if you want to see your Drew balance, all you need to do is to just log in with your Soul wallet here. Once you tap on this, to connect it to your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet, that is the wallet you imputed while doing the tax on Drew, and then you'll be able to see your profile. Alright guys, so that's just the step-by-step process on how you can successfully participate in the Drew airdrop. And you can see here, so claim Drew airdrop now, 10,000 Drew per referral. Okay guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to act fast, like I already mentioned. This is going to be ending in 48 hours, so let's get on this as soon as possible guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content like this, and we'll see you in our next video.